Hello, today we are going to show you how to properly install and initialize AutomatoR by DesignR1 software. So as you can see, I'm already at designr1.com/downloads. That's our downloads page where you can find all of our tools. And I'm going to grab both the .exe on AutomatoR and also the MSI file. Let me just put them where I need them. Okay, once those are done downloading, I can go ahead and minimize that, open up my folder where I saved them. And then what you'll want to do also is you want to right-click, bring up the properties menu, property screen, and always choose to unblock any of our tools that you are using. It's not necessary, but it does help not have weird things happen when you go to install. And then also on an exe file, run as administrator, just so that you can properly install it. I know on Windows 8 machines and newer, there are some weird permissions issues with those systems, so we always choose to run as administrator. AutomatoR is now installed. I'll go ahead and open up Act, and then we'll show you the initialization part of it as well. And while Act is downloading, you can always find us on Facebook at DesignR1 Software, and also follow us on Twitter at DesignR1 Software LLC. All right, I have Act automatically loading into the 2015 demo. That's just the last database that I was in. Hopefully this picks up here quickly. All right, so to get into the initialization part of AutomatoR, we'll go ahead and go to Tools, Design Layouts. And this does work from any of the layouts, but you want to right-click, go to Customize, and then you'll see checkboxes here. And as I forgot to uninitialize it before I did the video, but if you do have these AutomatoR and Quick Actions, you'll want to just make sure those are checked, and they will show up here under the toolbox under Custom. So you have AutomatoR and Quick Actions there. Again, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Thank you. Bye.